You are going to love the 2019 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlet, compass, floor mats. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.